everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on how to add appointments in the Odoo Calendar application. The Calendar app is a powerful tool for managing your schedule, and it has the ability to create appointments, and you can easily schedule and track meetings, events, and more. To get started, we're going to navigate to the Calendar app in our Odoo dashboard. Once we're in the app, we're going to see that there is a view here of all of our upcoming events and appointments. So in this case, we have these two, a meeting with Corey and with Hedwig. To create a new appointment, we have two options. Option number one is clicking on the new button. And here we'll see a form where we can enter all the details of the appointment, including the date, title, time, location, and the attendees. So in this case, we're going to say, meeting with Harry. I have the time selected, and here we can add a video call URL, or we can just add the location. So let's say in this case, it's in the description section, we can add any other information that is relevant to this meeting. So for example, the topics that are going to be discussed. So how Odoo can help grow your business. Alright, so once we have the date, time, and the title selected, we can here add anything else. So we are going to add Harry here, and here we can see that we have the meeting with Harry scheduled. The other way that we can create an appointment is by just clicking out any of these boxes. So for example, if we have an appointment and we would like to book an appointment for 1 p.m., here we can click there, and meeting subject, meeting with Kaylee, and we can click on the edit button. Here we're going to have the same window, and we can add the video call URL, location, basically the same features as the other way that we can enter our appointments and meetings. So create a Alright. An interesting option about scheduling meetings with the Odoo Calendar app is that if you have any recurring meetings, what you can do is navigate to the options menu, and here you can select it as recurrent. So you can add this as happening only on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, or if it's every day, and the number of repetitions. So let's say in this case we're going to put just 2. And now that we've saved it, we can see that we have it scheduled for next week as well, but not for the week after that. And that's it for this tutorial on adding appointments in the Odoo Calendar application. With the ability to create appointments, you can easily schedule and manage your own schedule. And you can also keep track of important meetings and events. Thanks for watching!